Hi, this is John with WTI, and I always like to dress up sharp. I like my shoes clean, I like my outfit looking clean, and I had one of my black shoes that my dressing shoes are always trying to look nice, but until I found this, it's like they actually came back to life. So they are black, they were looking a little bit not that good in the black. So when I found this actually cleaning box, but at the same time it gives you this tinting black, dark pitch black to your shoes, Kiwi. They just do great. I applied this once, I applied this second time, and it's like my shoes came back to life. So if you're looking for a great option for you to give your black shoes back to life, looking crisp and nice and shiny, this guy here just works great. So if you're looking for this great option for you to just look nice, looking clean everywhere you go, it's just easy to apply, just a little bit of layers, and you're good to go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.